Stephanie McPherson earns Jamaica's first World Indoor medal in Belgrade. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Stephanie and McPherson secured Jamaica's first medal at the World Athletics Indoor Championship in Belgrade, Serbia by winning the bronze medal in the women's 400 meter on the second and penultimate day of the competition on Saturday. The 2013 world bronze medalist clocked 50.79 seconds, a national indoor record for the first ever medal at the indoor championship. She was just outside of the medals at the 2016 World Indoor Championship when she was disqualified from the semi-finals at the 2008 edition. Links 007 TV will continue to track these stories plus more to come. Thanks for watching.